Amazon's newest Fire TV sticks are more locked down than any Fire Stick we've ever seen before. But if you own a compatible Fire OS device, one app is still going strong. And for me, it remains the best all-round media app you can install. That app is Kodi. And this isn't something I've just installed to make another video. I've used Kodi since 2008. It is still my main streaming app. I use it every single day. And whenever anybody asks what setup or apps I personally use, my answer is always Kodi. Now, for complete transparency, my everyday setup includes Kodi with the Crew add-on, with RealderBrid and AlderBrid as a backup. However, this video is only about installing the official Kodi application. What you add afterwards is entirely your decision and responsibility. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to install the latest stable release, Kodi 21.3, step by step in just a few minutes. Let's get into it. First, a quick reality check. Kodi does not come preloaded with movies, live TV, or sports. It is simply a free open source media player. You can use it to play your own files, access your home network, or install custom add-ons. It's a blank canvas, and because it isn't in the Amazon App Store, we have to sideload it. If this guide helps you out today, please tap that like button. It helps other Fire TV owners find the video. Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, stop and check this first. This method will not work on the newer Fire TV Stick 4K Select released in 2025 or the Fire TV Stick HD 2026. Both of those use Amazon's new Vega OS, which blocks sideloading. If you have an older Fire Stick, 4K Max or Fire TV Cube running Android-based Fire OS, you're good to go. To check, go to Settings, My Fire TV, About. If it says Fire OS, keep watching. To sideload Kodi, we need the Downloader app. From your home screen, go to Find, then type in Downloader. Look for the orange app published by AFTV News and click Download. Once installed, hit Open. If it asks for permission to access your files, select Allow. It needs this to save the Kodi file. Return to the Fire TV home screen. Now open Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options. If you can't see Developer Options, open About, highlight the name of your Fire TV device, press the center select button on your remote 7 times until you see a message that says you are now a developer. Hit the back button and Developer Options will now be there. Now open Developer Options, install unknown apps, select Downloader, change it from off to on. On some older Fire TV software, this might just be called apps from unknown sources. If that appears, turn it on. Before we open Downloader again, a quick word about privacy, because this is another question I'm constantly asked. You don't need a VPN just to install Kodi, but I highly recommend one if you're streaming. I personally use NordVPN. It encrypts your traffic so your internet provider can't snoop on what you're doing, and their app works perfectly on Fire TV. Of course, a VPN does not make illegal activity legal. You still should access only content that you own or are entitled to watch. You'll find my NordVPN link and the current offer in the video description. Open Downloader and enter this code, 28907. Then select Go. To keep the site fast and block bots, you'll need to generate a quick, free access token. Click Continue with Free, then grab your phone. Scan the QR code on your screen or enter the URL shown, tap Generate Token, and type that short code into your Fire TV. The download categories will now unlock. Select Media Players, then choose Kodi. You might notice links to other Kodi customization guides here. Now those are totally optional and separate from this install guide, but they do provide links to help you customize Kodi after installing it. Scroll down to the Fire TV download for Kodi 21.3. Now as of July 2026, Kodi 21.3 Omega is the current stable release. You will see Kodi 22 Pierce, but unless you deliberately want to test new features, skip it. Kodi officially still labels it as a pre-release. And a quick note on upgrading. If you already have a recent Kodi 21 install, installing 21.3 right over it should retain your existing library and settings. However, if you're jumping up from a much older release, particularly Kodi 18 or earlier, be aware that some of your old skins and third-party add-ons might no longer be compatible. Now click that download link. Once it finishes, the installation screen will pop up. Click Install. When it finishes, don't open it yet. Click Done. Finally, click Delete and confirm delete again. This simply removes the setup file we just downloaded, freeing up precious storage space on your Firestick without uninstalling Kodi itself. And that's it. Kodi 21.3 is installed and ready for you to customize. If this step-by-step guide was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Share this with a friend who needs to upgrade their setup, and for direct Fire TV help, access to additional content and priority replies, take a look at channel memberships. Members get access to my private chat group where I answer questions personally. You can also follow me on X and TikTok and check out the unboxd.tech YouTube channel for more streaming technology content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.